Hi friends, this is NJ, host on this channel, and today we are going to have our discussion on a very important topic of palmistry. Now when I say the most important, so why don't you guys guess what could be the most important thing in anyone's life? Love? No, even in order to have love, you need that thing before that. Spirituality, religion, faith, even in order to fulfill your faith, to get into any spiritual journey, you need to have that thing with you. So okay, let me spill the beans. So we are going to have our discussion on the signs of wealth, signs of fortune. See, when we talk about the wealth, it is a very subjective term, because let's say for example, there are those people who are born hardworking. There are those people who just are so intelligent, who are like blessed with such a good, intelligent, discriminatory mind that they know how to make money. But right now I'm not talking about the wealth gained through hard work, wealth gained through good intellectual qualities. I'm going to have our discussion on, let's say for example, which all are the cases where people tend to remain lucky, that they tend to remain fortunate in the matters of churning out good money in life in order to get good name, fame, recognition. So we will have our discussion on that. And whenever we have to talk about any sign of fortune, the utmost important significance get attached to the sign of star. So this is something which is a very is a very universal fact in the science of palmistry, that star has been attached a lot of significance from the perspective of the creative talents, from the perspective of some sudden speculative event. So right now I'm just going to tell you that which all are the three best places of the star sign to be found on the palm, where if you will find that sign, so the person is going to get all these kind of good fortunate things in his life. So the very first thing is, let's say for example, if any point of time you will find the star to be appearing on someone's mount of Jupiter. Now, as you guys know, that mount of Jupiter is the domain of the leadership, is the domain of authority, is the domain of the spiritual, spiritual qualities, spiritual inclination, spiritual potential. But more than that, if you will find any point of time in someone's palm that the star symbol has appeared on someone's mount of Jupiter. So the best part is that not only at this point, at this place, it gives someone success, whichsoever endeavor person is a part of, whichever field a person is part of. But more than that, this success will also get accompanied by the financial rewards as well. You can easily get to know, if you will find a star symbol on someone's mount of Jupiter, that the person will get success, person will get good financial rewards, along with he will also merit to his advantage, so he will be happy from his marital life as well. Now the second best placement of this most fortunate sign star which you can find on anyone's palm is, let's say for example, if you will find this sign on someone's mount of Apollo or mount of Sun. So this is the portion which you will find just beneath the ring finger. So this just tells about that the person will have extraordinary talents, and just because of those talents, the person will also get due respect, name, fame and recognition in the life as well. Now the third best placement of the star symbol which you can find in anyone's palm is, if any point of time you will find this this very auspicious sign to be appearing on someone's Apollo line or the Sun line. Because any point of time if you will find it there, it is just going to give this hint that once at any point of time in this particular person's life, there will be one sudden event which is going to bring lot of sudden windfall of gain in that particular person's life. So guys, this is all what I wanted to say on the most auspicious sign in the science of palmistry, star sign, that which all could be the best top 3 placement of this sign in anyone's palm. So for these kind of videos on palmistry, please subscribe my channel on YouTube and like my Facebook page. Thank you.
Chidananda Rupa Shivoham.